Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to show you a very special chicken dish. This is chicken karahi. Now this is a very beautiful dish with a lot of spices and flavors and which is very popular up north. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the chicken karahi, take a nice white saucepan or a kadai. I am going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. To this I am going to add whole spices, cinnamon, clove, cardamom and bay leaf. For this recipe I have taken 1 kilo of fresh chicken with bone. Cook the chicken for about 5 minutes on high flame. Cook till it's no more pink. Once the chicken is no more pink, you can season the chicken by adding 2 teaspoons of salt. Whenever you make this recipe, make sure you pound the ginger garlic nice and fresh. It definitely enhances the flavors. Add the freshly pounded ginger and garlic. So mix everything. So you can see the chicken has released a lot of juices. Next, add 1/4 cup of water. Give it a quick mix. For this recipe, I have taken 5 large tomatoes. Cut them into half. So place the cut tomatoes. These are going to get cooked in this steam. So you can see the tomatoes are cooked beautifully. They're nice and soft. Remove the skin, they literally come out very easily. The tomatoes are all blanched. You can see how soft the tomatoes have become. They're cooked beautifully. After mashing the tomatoes, boil it for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add all the spice powders, starting with 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Next, add 3 green chilies that have been partially slit. So I've taken 1 tablespoon of curd, whisk it nicely. Crush a little kasuri methi and add it to the masala. So you can see the masalas come together so beautifully. So you don't want it too dry. A little masala will be good. Finally, finish off with some chopped coriander leaves. The chicken karahi is done. So there you go, you can see this dish is so delicious and so flavorful with all these lovely spices and colors, and if you've seen the recipe itself, it's made very differently. So this goes very well with rice, rotis and naans. So definitely do try this recipe and enjoy.